Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your blog page and how to create different blog posts and go through some of the options that we offer with the Avada theme. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create a new page. Let's go ahead and title that blog. And make sure the default template is set over here. That's going to automatically give you a sidebar. Now, you don't have to have a sidebar. You can have a full width blog page, which I will show you how to do in this video later, but just make sure that default template is set there. And for your sidebar, I already have a blog sidebar made for this video, so I'm going to go ahead and select that there. To create a custom sidebar, please see our documentation on how to do that. Now there are some other page options down here you can go through and set. I'm not going to go through each one, but you can have the page title bar, show or hidden. You can have a slider if you want. I'm sure most people will not, but you can select that. And there are some other things down here as well that you can go through. But for now, we just want a basic blog page with the sidebar and our blog post to show up. So we're just going to go ahead and hit publish. Now the next thing you need to do is set this blog page as your post page. So let's go to settings, reading, and right here you see a static page, post page. Let's select blog, which is the page we just made. Click save changes. Now I also want to add this blog page to our top menu, so it's so we can easily access it during the video. So I'm going to go to Appearance, Menus. You're going to see the blog page right here. Let's click Add to Menu, and you're going to see that down here. Let's go ahead and hit Save. Now let's go ahead and view our site here. You can see here's the home page. Here is our blog menu item. If you click on that, you're going to see we have our sidebar here, our title, the page title bar with the name of the page, and then these are where our posts are going to go. We don't have any posts made yet, so it's blank, but we're going to go ahead and create those now. So let's go ahead and get started. All blog posts go up here in your post section. Let's go ahead and click Add New. We're going to make 3 different post types. We're going to do an image, a video, and an image slideshow. The first one is just going to be an image. This is your post content area. Now you can insert any type of content, images. We have all our short codes here on the second row. You can insert or just regular copy. Whatever you want will go in this area. This is the visual editor. You can also use the HTML editor here, but the visual editor is what most people will use, as you can access the short codes. I'm just going to go ahead and grab some Greek copy I have here and just insert that into here for our post content to save some time. Scroll down. If you want, you can select a custom sidebar for each single post page. I'm just going to leave that the way it is for now because I want the same one to show up. And then over here on the right side are your categories. I already have 3 categories made, 1, 2, and 3. You can add a new one right here just by doing that, and it'll automatically select that category. You can select more than one category too if you want by doing that. Here are your tags. You can insert as many as you want. I'm just going to click image and click add, and that tag will now be assigned to this post. And then this is where you set your images. You just want one image, which is what we're doing for this post. Just set one feature image. If you want more than one, you go ahead and set as many as you want. The default number is 5, as you can see here, featured image 1 through 5. You can change that in theme options on the slideshow tab. You can insert a new number, and you can have 10 or 15 or 2, however many you want. So let's go ahead and just set a featured image here. We're going to go ahead and select this one, make sure it's full size here, and we're going to put use as featured image. So you can see that there. So we have set a title, we have post content here, we've set categories and tags and a feature image. We're just going to go ahead and hit publish. You can see it here. There's our blog post image. We're going to go ahead and create the other 2 posts now too while we're here. So let's go ahead and let's make our slideshow post. We're just going to copy the same content in here, and we'll select category and tags. Let's do slideshow, and we're going to set 3 different feature images for our slideshow. This will be feature image number 1, use as featured image. That will set it as the first one. And you can go directly down to your next image, and you can select it right here, use as featured image 2. And here is the third one. So you can do that all in one stop here, and as you close it out, you'll see featured image 1, featured image 2, featured image 3. So that will automatically create your slideshow for you, and it's that simple. So let's go ahead and hit publish. Now let's go ahead, you can see that post there. Let's create a video post. We'll insert the same content here. Now for your video post, you want to scroll down to your post options, and you need to get the video embed code, which you'll get from Vimeo or YouTube. I have a window open here on Vimeo with some videos. I'm just going to go ahead and select this one. And you'll see the little share button up here. Go ahead and click that, and it's going to give you the video embed code up here. Now if you click this button here, you can set a specific size and some other attributes if you want. I'm just going to leave that the way it is. Copy it, come back here and paste that in there. And that is it for the video. Now you can set a featured image if you want. If you do, it will turn it into a slideshow because you have a video and a featured image. The video will show on the listing page and the single post page. That's all you need to do for that. We'll set a category here. We'll make a video tag. And that will be it. So let's go ahead and publish this. And just to show you here, we have 3 posts, an image, a slideshow, and a video. Let's go back to our blog page and hit refresh. And you can see these 3 posts here. Here is the video, here's the slideshow, and you can see, you can play through the images here. And here is the single image. Now you can see the rollovers here. This link icon will take you to the single post page. This zoom icon will bring up the light box of the image. So if you click that, you can see the full size of the image there. And if you roll over and click the link icon, it'll take you to the single post page, which is this. This has the full information of that post. Now as you can see here, this is the large blog layout. Now we include 2 different layouts, large and medium, with the Avada theme, and you can also select full width. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that now. Let's go to Appearance, Theme Options, click on the Blog tab, and you can see right here, Blog Layout. It says large. We can select medium, click Save. Let's go back and hit refresh, and you can see it is now a smaller image. And this right here is the excerpt, all this copy here. We can change the amount. Like if you use the blog medium layout, I don't think that looks good with the extra text down there, so we can go ahead and change that. If you go scroll down to the excerpt, and if you want the full content to show, just click full. If you want an excerpt, click excerpt, and you can select the length right here. We'll just input 60 and see if that fixes it. Refresh the page. And there we go. So that is the medium layout. Now you can also, in the theme options, as you see here, you can select full width. Let's go ahead and put this back to large. Large or medium can be full width. I'm going to select large, select full width, save changes, come back and refresh our page, and you'll see that it removes the sidebar and gives you a full width layout, which is very nice. Nice large images. So let's go back here, let's remove this, and you can see in these settings here there's a bunch of different things you can set. You can set the position of the sidebar. This information here, this is whether or not you choose to show it or hide it. You can actually hide the featured image, you can hide the post title, author box, all this stuff here you can show or hide or change. So there's a lot of different options here for you. Each person will want something different, so just go through and check them out. We're going to save that now and go back to our blog page here and refresh. And you can see these are obviously the featured images here. Now the blog large has a specific size and the blog medium has a specific size. Those are the default sizes. If you pick those layouts, as you can see, they're all the same here. Now you can change that though per post. So if you go to your post page, let's do this image here, and if you scroll down into your post options here, you'll see featured image width, featured image height. These are for custom sizes. So if you do not like this size that it's showing, you can go ahead and insert a new size, and it will overtake the default size and it'll show your custom size there. You can do that for each individual post as well. So that is it. There's our 3 posts. The only other thing I would like to show you would be the way you can organize the post. Posts are always organized by date, as you can see over here. It always goes from newest to oldest, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes ago. That's just the default way it's set up. We include a really nice plugin with the theme. It's a free plugin, and it's called Post Types Order. You should already have this installed and activated. If not, go ahead and do that. And once it is installed, you'll see as you click over Post, there's a reorder label. You can simply drag and drop them into place, and it's going to do manual reorganizing of your post. So if you come back here, you'll see we put the image post on top, and there it is now up top. So it's a good way to organize your posts if you don't want to have them organized by date. So I believe that's it, and as I said, make sure you go to Appearance, Theme Options, and click on the Blog tab and check out all the different settings you can do here. And there's also some settings on the individual post pages, such as the featured image size, etc. So that is it for the blog video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you.